welcome back to the channel, man. Real quick, man. I had a buddy in the shop removing an engine out of a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. Now, the reason I'm filming this is I find it interesting the way he removed it. As you know, everybody have their own way of removing engines. Don't knock one way or the other. Just find what works for you, and you remove the engine that works best for you, or remove it the way that works best for you. Now, again, what's interesting is actually, if you look at the instruction, it tells you to remove the complete front fascial. Of course, you know the preliminary, removing the battery and all that stuff, but he got the front parts of the engine off, and we jacking it up, and I can see of course, the bump in the front fascial still attached. So I found that interesting. Now, is this reckless? Not really, man. As you can see, we clashing with the hood. We probably should have removed the hood. I'm only showing you this video just to show you a different perspective of how other guys remove engine. Now, we was able to clear, the back channel. We was able to clear the front by removing the exhaust system, the whole complete exhaust system. As you can see, that there's no exhaust on here. Now we find out we have to remove the oil filter adapter housing. As you can see, we barely gonna clear the hood, but at the end of the day, we was able to get it out quickly. I guess when you're on commission, quickly really, or speed really matters. Now, we was able to clear the hood, of course, by holding it up a little bit more. Now, would I have done it this way? Sure. I guess if I was in a major quick hurry. Some guys even go so far as to remove it from the bottom, meaning they jack the car up and lower the complete engine and trans out together. But like I say, man, whatever works best for you should be the way you remove engine. All right. Now, I am obligated to tell you to go by the book, but find out what way works best for you. Do it by the book the first time, and then after that, create your own shortcuts and find out what works best for you. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. We got the engine out. We're going in with a new one. I think she hydrolocked this engine. She ran through a puddle of water, and the insurance company simply said replace it. All right, there you have it, man. Thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.